Alright, yeah, hey, welcome back to my channel. So this is what I'm about to cook. Yeah, this is my first time ever trying this. So got this from Walmart, and I think that it was like almost $6 to $7, I think. So yeah, this is New Orleans style shrimp Alfredo, and I had to cook this in 10 minutes. I will show you guys what the food looks like in a pot. Alright, so this is what the food looks like. Okay, let me show you guys a close look at this food. It's still frozen. I had thawed it out a little bit. Let me show you guys the shrimp. Alright, so here's a little shrimp. Big shrimp. Alright, so I'm going to cook this for 10 minutes because that's what it says on the little package. Alright, so it has savory shrimp and pasta in a zesty creamy cheese sauce. Now it definitely has like a lot of sauce on it, but now I feel like the noodles kind of overcooked. So yes, I'm going to show you guys the finished product after this is done. Now I think that it's like 5 to 6 shrimps in here. Hey man, I wish that they had gave me a lot more shrimp at least. Give me all these dang on noodles without a lot of shrimp. It's a waste of money. Now if I would have known that I only had like a little shrimp and a lot of pasta, yeah, I would have made my own homemade shrimp Alfredo pasta. Cause I was just trying to like try something new. Okay, something new. It's all good. I will let you guys know how this pasta tastes and everything, y'all. Cause like I said, it's cooked for 10 minutes, so. But I think that I'm going to try to put some shredded cheese on top of this. You know, just in case if I don't like, you know, the cheese, you know, just to balance the cheese out. Alright, y'all, the pasta is done cooking. It's a lot, you know. Alright, so I'm about to put this in the bowl right quick, y'all. Alright, y'all, so now I'm about to like show you guys what it looks like close up. Let me show you guys the shrimp first. Okay, they give you a little shrimp, which is messed up. Okay, so y'all see the shrimp. Okay, hopefully you guys can see. Alright, y'all, so this is the finished look of this pasta. Alright, so as you can see right here, this is the shrimp. This is one of the shrimp, and they give you a little shrimp, as I told you guys before. So they give you a lot of pasta. Let me eat the pasta first and tell you guys what it tastes like. Alright, so the pasta, it tastes overcooked. Alright, and the pasta do not taste seasoned at all. Period. Okay, so basically this is, you know, waste of money, really. But anyways, I have some shrimp right here, and I'm about to taste the shrimp with the pasta and see how it tastes. Okay. Alright, now when I taste the shrimp, make sure you do not overcook this pasta, because if you do, your shrimp is going to taste rubbery and you do not want that. Okay, so make sure you cook this on medium heat, 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, but now this shrimp, I can taste the pepper, black pepper. Make sure you season this pasta on your pasta. But from 1 to 10, I'm definitely going to give this a 3. Okay, 3.5. Okay, I don't like this at all. So I had got this from, I think, the frozen aisle at Walmart. Yeah, so I won't be eating this at all. I'm about to find me something else to eat. Now I was going to like put some sharp cheddar on it just to see, will the pasta will taste better with the sharp cheddar and the Parmesan cheese, which is this right here. On here, the home style Parmesan cheese and some sharp cheddar cheese, but it already has too much cheese, you know, in it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you guys let me know what other videos you want to see me do. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. Bye, y'all.